I am Professor Vinster, and welcome to Jurplastic World.
Okay, so first we're going to do this like this because the machine has a problem with clogging up if we pull it all the way out, so we thought that's why I bought this machine, and now we're going to try it. So this, take the spool off, it's not quite done, but it's close. Take this back here, give us enough room, and then cut this. This is what we're going to join. Cut there, put this aside. Okay. Now, measure the new coil. For the new filament roll, you gotta remember it spools this way. So we're gonna put that on there, like that. Bit. Now we don't want it to all unravel, which if it stays like that will be good. And we'll put half this through here. So I can see exactly where this thing is. Okay, there's the part that it attaches to there. Oh, we don't want to lose off our new coil. I'm going to push this in to join it. Okay, that's joined it. Okay. And we're going to push it on. Minutes. Seven, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Now we're going to turn this off, and we are going to set this to 5 minutes for cooling. Now, cross fingers. It's not as straight as I wanted it. I'm hoping it'll work. Kind of a crooked one. Oh boy, it really turned out crooked. I don't know if I can correct that. Oh, hold on a second. Might be warm enough. Either the bad breath will fix it. Nope. Not impressed. Nope. That was a bad one. Gotta do it again. Not good at all. That did not work. We'll keep rolling. Maybe I'll try an angle. Put that on an angle. And I'll cut this one on an angle. This might be an idea here. And we'll see if they join. That might be a better idea. Okay, let's try this out. Right in there. And we'll try to put this one together with it. Now, if I can sneak peek this. Yeah, see, that's the problem. I've got to make sure that those go in on both on a good angle. So if I put this on an angle I can remember. Let's see here. I'll put that like that. Okay. And I'll put this one. Hang on a second. Let me take a look at that again. Put this one on top. Like that. Let's try this again. Oh. Let's hope. Come on, stand up. That's not good. That's not good. That's better. Where are you going here? There we go. Try this again. I don't actually like it. Looks like it got bent. And I see why it got bent. Because it's on an angle. This has got to be completely straight. Oh, we'll see how good of a bond it did. Because I have this on an angle, it should be exactly straight, or else I'm going to get a curve, which I got. See? Lousy. Lousy. And probably too much heat. Look at that. Too much heat. It's too thin. Because it's got to be kept straight. Probably not as long. Okay, let's try this again. We're going to do less time this time, and we're going to put it on a different angle. We're going to put it on at this angle. because that was not cool. Let's try this again. That's where it should be. And we're going to put this in there against it. Now, I'm wondering how I can keep this straight. This has to be kept straight. Let's put the cord up here, like this. This can't wander. This has to be straight, so I'll put that between the scissors here. This is how it has to be, straight. And I'm going to do less time. Okay, it's on. Filming, so this is straight. I think I'm going to do 1.5 minutes. At least I'll know the next time. The one time I set it up, I was just using two small pieces. Now I'm using a large piece to it, so it's a totally different thing. My first experiment did well. This ended up being very thin in here, and because it was twisting, it had a bit of an angle. So this hopefully will solve the problem. I'm hoping. Well, it's a $70 machine, so if you're going to get a hit and then 3 misses and a hit, well, how fun is that? Especially if you're going to connect a bunch of different colors together. So you kind of want to figure out, maybe set this up in a jig. Just put some nice, drill some nice holes in these in there, pin it down, and then put your line. There we go. We'll turn that off. Okay, now we're going to let it cool. And we're supposed to let it cool for at least 5 minutes. So we'll let it cool for 5 minutes. Oh, see that? It's cooling on an angle. Oh, I don't like that. Oh, I don't like that at all. That's not good. That pulled out. Now if I push that in, that was going on a bit of an angle. I don't want that. Maybe I'll hold that till it cools down. Now, I've used this 3 times in a row, so you think, oops, see, it wants to, I'm going to take it out early, see what happens here. Not good. See, this one's wandering. See, this one here is twisted. Now let's see if I can hold it until it cools down. I'm hoping to get this so that I can run it through the machine. If I only have to do this once in a while, I'll be okay, but how often am I going to have to do it? And is this thing going to cool down? Like, shouldn't it be some, like, obviously it's still hot because it's still flexing, which is disappointing. Okay, there, it's getting a little stiffer now. I might be able to release it. It's still hot. It is still hot. It is still hot. But it's bonded. And it looks a lot better. Okay, I got a good bond. There we go. It's actually good. That's good now. A little bit. So hopefully I can roll this out. They never like to. Oh yeah, of course. There we go. Now that's better. So you got to get the thing to not flex. That's the thing. There we go. Now the question is, will it run through? That'll be the big question. Now we're hoping. Okay. It's done. Okay, it's fed in, turn it on, 2.5 minutes. Now a minute and a half, minute 30, start, minute 30. Okay. 5. Start. Now the cooling process. Oops. Okay, 5 minutes. Now we'll see what happens. And lift. Oh, it's stuck. Okay, there we go. There we go. Now, right there. There's our join. I don't know if you can see that. Wait, I can't even see it. Let's see if I can get in front of the camera here. Right there. A little bit bent a bit, but not too bad. There it is. It's a really good joint. So the jig works. And if you hear laughing, that's my son laughing at a TV show. So the jig worked. So this is awesome. Didn't take long, 5 hours to make it, design it. I've got to redesign one though, that I'm going to have like a slot in it here, and that slot over here, and something to hold it down in a different, because if you want to hook this to a coil sorry, to a filament roll to the actual printer, how would you get it out? You wouldn't. So I'm going to make slots in it so that they can be just either clamped in so it can work the same way. I just wanted to test this to see if that worked for us. And yes, it does. So let's go up here, and I'm going to swing this around so I can see. Ooh. Hey, so there you go. So I'm just going to plug that there. I didn't even take the bottom, the plate off of it yet. I just put it together, and I thought, you know what, I've got to try it first. So there you go. So there's a way to do them quickly and accurately. So that's really good. And like I said, that's good. That's really good. That'll go through perfectly. And I think it's strong. Oh yeah, it's strong as can be. I can't even, yep. I don't even know if I can, nope, it doesn't want to break. So it's good. So there's one piece put together. So that worked out good. So you too can either design your own, but you got to keep it straight. Going by the video, the way the video was, you've seen what happened to me, and that was just because I was in a tight area. If you work in another area, kind of an area where you can move around and stuff like that, it won't be so bad. It definitely knows. Anyway, that's good, and I'm happy with the progress, and we'll see you soon.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.